In this short video tutorial, we'll see how to convert the sales extract into the Excel sheet and apply filters on it so that we can work easily on it. So open your sales extract. For each day there will be one file, one text file and comprising of sales of one day. So open it up and click Ctrl A from your keyboard. Ctrl and A, press it together. Everything will be copied, selected. Now press Ctrl C to copy the data. Open a blank Excel sheet and press Ctrl V or paste the data in it. Now select the first column, click data, text 2 columns and keep the delimited. Next, uncheck the tab, click other and put the pipe symbol or concatenation operator in it and click next and finish. After that, you'll notice that all of your data has been converted into columns. So if you see, there'll be around 52 columns in this. So each column would have its own description, like this is PNR, confirmation number, recorded number, segment, cancelled, active, PAX ID, last name, first name, everything, every detail is in this sales extract, right? So just you can then apply filter on it, and after applying filter on a specific column, you can select the data that you want to play. Like for example, for the segments, apply filter on it, and if you want to, I want to see just the no show segments, then it will just show me the no show segments, right? So this is how you can play with this Excel sheet. So this is how you will need to convert it, right?